Hello all. Hope you are all good. Today I come up with very good scenario, guys. This is about training tree of share marketing. Okay, so I think already we have seen share marketing basics, like what kind of accounts we have in the share market, and what is the basics of share market. Okay, so how many accounts we have, and so how can we choose brokerage firms, stock brokers efficiently. So I think these concepts already we have discussed with real-time scenarios. So now actually my focus, guys, actually so I want to bring only some real-time use cases. Okay, so I don't want to give you all definitions. Definitely you will get bored. I really concerned about that. You can spend some time on the definitions. Definitions definitely required, but mostly try to understand the real-time use cases. Okay, just try to interact with the real-time people, and maybe whenever you go through some portal, so just try to understand some real-time use cases. Then easily you can correlate with your investment methodology and investment life cycles, so that your mindset will be changed, and your approach will be changed. Definitely it will be helpful for your good career. So I don't want to waste my time. So today I brought very important concept, that is a real-time use case. I just clearly analyzed myself during my analysis phase, because currently I'm in analysis phase, and already I started my investments. I'm at the initial phase. So at daily, I try to understand the real-time use cases. So I just want to share that knowledge with you all, guys. Definitely, this session will help you out. So coming to today session, so I just want to give you one very good real-time example. So how one particular person becomes from zero to hero in share market. Okay, so so let me explain the background of this particular use case. So the person name is Rakesh. So the person name is Rakesh. So basically he is a corporate employee. Okay, so basically he's a corporate employee in the Mumbai. Okay, so what exactly he does, so he does everyday job, and he completed his job and simply enjoy his life. But finally one day he just started thinking about so investment banking, and all this share marketing, so how exactly this trend goes and all these things. So basically when he started thinking, basically he had no prior experience or no prior knowledge in share marketing. Simple, he has only some bank savings, and some fixed deposits in the banks. That's all. Okay, he don't have any prior experience and prior knowledge in the share marketing. But he decided, guys, he decided actually. So he just want to grow himself, and wanted to grow his wealth through this share marketing. Okay, that's how he created one roadmap, guys. Okay, so basically it started in at the same month in the last year, that means August 2023. Okay, so exactly 1 year. So how he just succeeded, and how he becomes from zero to hero. Okay, just I want to give you explanation like a phase by phase, what kind of decisions he has taken. So definitely you will enjoy this session, guys. So first, actually, if you basically the Rakesh, actually simple, first once he decided he want to grow his wealth through share marketing. So immediately first phase, actually he chosen like learning and research. That means research and learning. Not only in the share marketing, guys, like maybe in your career, the research and learning is very very important, guys. Like whenever you start any business, so first you have to educate by yourself. Okay, so that means in this same case, like, do you think same thing, like learning, research and learning is important for your career? Yeah, in the same way, as you and me, the Rakesh also decided the research and learning is very very important. So he educated himself by using different resources like Zerodha, other abstract materials. Okay, so he just analyzed each and every concept, and he also registered online forms, and where, because he can interact with like industrial experts and real-time investor experts, so where he can get a lot of real-time use cases. Definitely it will help him to change his mindset. So that's why he decided, and he involved in all the areas like registered online forms and watching financial channels. So he followed all the things. Finally, he got very lot of information, and he got some idea and where to start and all these things. Okay, so that is the learning and research. I mean, research and learning. So that successfully completed, guys. Okay, so basically he spent almost 1 month for research and learning. That means the August 2023. So after that, second phase actually, if you second phase actually, initial investment. So basically, initial investment, before going to the initial investment, so basically, as a job holder, he has only 1,50,000 in his pocket. That is also, and by his corporate employment. Okay, that means as he is doing in IT employee, so he earns an amount actually that is equal to 1,50,000. So initial, after he gained basic information, what exactly he did, he started with the initial investment. Okay, so basically here the kick point actually. So before you are starting initial investment, what is your background? Okay, first you have to think your background. Okay, so that means his background is IT. So that means so he did all the stuff, right? Like I think open the accounts and trading account, demat account, the registration of those accounts, and the chosen brokerage form. Everything is done, guys. Okay, I think if you want to know that information, so please go through the previous sessions. That definitely it will help you. But coming to this second phase, so after he gained a lot of information, so he chosen two important sectors here, right? So first one is IT sector, because he is working in the IT sector, but he has some updates, and he knows about the technology updates, how exactly software companies works. So and also second one is medical sector. Okay, so first one using is 1 lakh amount. So he started with 1 lakh amount. In 1 lakh amount, actually, first he invested in TCS, guys, Tata Consultancy Services, 50k. He started with 50k, and second one is what is that? Yeah, medical sector, right? This is IT sector. This is medical sector. Medical sector, that means Dr. Reddy's, I can say, because he chosen the Reddy sector, medical sector, Dr. Reddy's. So Dr. Reddy's actually, why he chosen medical sector? Basically due to global demand for medicines. Okay, and also it shows the consistency in the success rate. At the same time, TCS also, it shows the consistency, well performed actually. So that's why he chosen these two sectors, and he invested 50 lakhs, 50 sorry 50,000, 50,000, total 1 lakh. Okay, so this is what happened in the initial phase. So he bought 50,000 shares in the TCS, and as well as 50,000 shares in Dr. Reddy's. Okay, coming to third phase, that means this is happened in the August or September, and coming to the October now. So what October, what happened? So market volatility. Okay, so market volatility, so everyone knows about that. Market volatility is nothing but a market inconsistency. Okay, so due to that market volatility, that means I think everyone hear about the global ration fear. Okay, global ration fear, definitely it will lead to like a dip in your market or your share value. So that is what same thing happened for Rakesh Keshan as well. So due to that market ration, so sorry, global ration fear. So his like share market value completely down. So that means that global Russian fear impacted to the Indian market as well. So that's why his investments like in the TCS and what is another thing, Dr. Reddy's guys. So basically these two sectors also got impacted and fell down by each one 10 percentage. That means finally he reached to TCS initial investment 50,000, right? Now it is reached to 45k, and Dr. Reddy's also 45k. So that means he has seen some dip in his investments. Okay, so immediately what happened, in that same phase actually, uh, he basically he didn't get in the panic. Okay, because he's like he did like a lot of research and interacted with many people, and he has watched a lot of channels, right? So that's why he has some basic information in this case actually. Definitely the Rakesh is not choosing the path of panic mode. Okay, so without panic what exactly he did, so basically he just chosen opportunity where he is reinvesting with some amount actually for at lower prices. That means basically he chosen the dip buying. So dip buying is very important, guys. Basically dip buying. So what exactly dip buying, what he is just he bought new shares at the lower price, obviously because the share value downturn, right? So during this downturn, so he just bought additional shares with extra amount. That means in the same TCS actually 25k, and in that Dr. Reddy's also actually he invested 25k. Okay, so he is not in the panic mode. He bought shares at the lower price. He just took the situation as an added advantage. Okay, so that means total share value and total capital now. So 1 lakh initial plus 50,000 now, total 1 lakh 15. Okay, so this is what happened in the October month. So finally his value become to 1 lakh 50,000. So after that what happened, so coming to the fourth phase basically, because see actually these market downturns, these actually the market depreciations and all these things, he understood actually that is a temporary, actually it's a not a long term, because he just since he's studied very well and he did a lot of research actually, he just think about long term potential growth. Okay, so that's why actually he just used actually dip buying. So after that, what it, so basically coming to early of 2024, that means 2024, uh, 24 from Jan to July. This in this phase actually that is called growth phase. Okay, so he has seen the growth phase actually. Here one point is actually this is I'm just giving the years actually 2024. Actually, this is not happening in 2024. This case actually when I just analyzed this use case actually it is not 2024. It's early to the 2023. So don't compare with the current years, guys. So I just I'm trying to explain you what is happening in this use case so that your mindset will be changed, and you also think what kind of decisions Rakesh has taken, so that you will see some good improvement in your share marketing. So finally in the growth phase actually what happened, in the growth phase actually the TCS, so basically the TCS recovered to 55,000 and finally grow to 70,000, especially in the growth phase. And Dr. Reddy's also it is recovered to 55 thousand, and finally 75,000. Okay, now his investments are in the profit now actually. So finally, so and in the what happened actually, earlier he invested 25,000 he bought additional stocks, right? So during market volatility phase actually. So finally what happened, so this what happened, so total value, so that 50k extra amount, that means 1,50,000. So total 1,45. So 75, 70, 75, 1,45 plus 50k. So total what happened? 1,95,000. This is the current portfolio value. Okay. So really he has seen growth. Okay, so with this encouragement what he did, so basically coming to fifth phase actually, what he did, so basically uh, this is the phase of actually diversification and as well as reinvestment. So the diversification and reinvestment is also very very important, guys. So with this encouragement, what exactly he did, so what is 1,95,000, right? So in this amount, what did he know? So actually he withdraws 45,000, and using this 45,000 actually he just diversified his portfolio, and he invested here actually he chosen another two sectors. Okay, so as days are going, so actually he just did some research on other sectors as well, like that is the banking sector. The banking sector also shows very good consistency, and automobile sector. So these two sectors are using this 45,000. Actually, he withdraws from 1,45,000, and he just invested 25,000 in the banking sector. That means HDFC, because HDFC shows very good consistency, and automobiles like Maruti Suzuki, 25,000. Okay, so he withdraws 45,000, and he reinvested in different sectors. So that is how we need to build our portfolio, right? So once we started, basically he started with the two portfolio, two sectors, and he built portfolio after like market volatility. So he is not a panic, and he bought more shares, and after that again growth phase actually, he just diversification and reinvestment phase actually. So he just diverted, I mean that means diversify his investments into the different sectors. Okay, so what happened, finally coming to next phase actually, in this phase basically this is a market rally. Okay, that means a market rally. I think most of the people already you heard about these investment banking and all these things. Sometimes you see the market rally. This is something like due to new government policies and economy booming. Okay, because of these two things actually, really the market rally happened. Simply what happened, so the Rakesh, in this Rakesh case, same thing happened for him as well. So unexpected market rally, growth, almost his sectors and wherever he invested, so his share market value is doubled actually. That means TCS, first one he invested TCS, right? TCS 100% profit, and Dr. Reddy's 110% growth, and Maruti Suzuki 50% growth, and what else he invested? HDFC also 50% growth. See, these are all these things, guys, because actually he used like strategical decisions, and also he is a patience he showed the patience, and he educated himself, and he is not in the panic mode because of all these parameters actually. So he just waited for very good time. Finally, this kind of market rally growth suddenly happened for him. So finally, what happened? Completely. Actually, his investments and wherever he invested actually completely doubled actually. Okay, so finally the total actually, if you see the values actually, so finally what is the total portfolio value? 2,70,000. That means TCS actually reached to 1 lakh, and Dr. Reddy's 1 lakh and 50,000, sorry, 5,000, and HDFC also reached to 30,000, and Maruti Suzuki also 35,000. Finally, his portfolio is 2,70,000. Okay, so and also, so after this, in this situation, what happened? So finally he reached to 2,70,000. Now some he just he did some cashing out and reinvestment. So basically Rakesh decided to cash out some profits. Okay, so basically now he got very good profits, and he reached to almost he started with 1 lakh and additional stocks actually plus 50,000, total 1,50,000. After market dip and market volatility and growth phase, finally reached to 2,70,000. So now what he decided, he just take out some cash out. Okay, so basically out of 2,70,000, he just took away 70,000, and he kept for future investments. Okay, so that means so he just separated two out of 2,70,000. He separated 2 lakh and 70,000 withdrawn and kept for future investments. Okay, so this is what happened in this cashing and reinvestment phase. So out of 2 lakh 70,000, so 2 lakh is final portfolio value, and 70,000 he withdrawn. Okay, so after that, what did so basically he just started reinvesting. Okay, and he just keep on increasing his sectors. So earlier he started with IT sector and medical sector. After that he diversified his portfolio across banking sector, automobile sector. Now he just invested in renewable energy sector. That means renewable energy sector. That means Adani. I think we have companies like Adani Green Energy and Tata Power, right? Adani. So these actually basically these are really important, and I think he understood future renewable energies actually. So I think really the growth will be there. So he started investing like that. So finally what happened? So his total portfolio value 2,50,000, and also he did total investments. That means last he just invested in energy, renewable energy sectors also, right? That so that finally that portfolio value 2,50,000, and also he withdrawn 70,000 for cash and future investments, maybe his personal uses also. So total 2,50,000 and 70,000 future savings, and finally he reached to 3,20,000. 3,20,000. See guys, did you observe his success journey? Actually, he started with 1 lakh. Finally, he saved 70,000 for future plannings, maybe future investments, and 2,70,000 his portfolio value. Okay, so this is his success journey, guys. Actually, how exactly he took the decisions, and basically how exactly he educate himself, how exactly like he just gone through different materials, and how he registered investment firms and interacted with experienced people, and also after that, patience. The patience is also very important, guys. Basically, he didn't panic during the market dip conditions. So he stood very strongly, and we just continue and take the advantage wherever the space is there. And after that, finally, and also he think everything in the long term perspective. Okay, so just he believe everything, and he keep for long term perspective. The final conclusion, what I want to you guys. So basically, so his journey actually, a successful investor shows with how exactly he shows the patience and knowledge and education, and the strategic decisions. So basically, the strategic decisions, whatever he has taken, definitely he helped him very well, and he became from zero to hero. Okay, so I think uh, this is really important conversation. I think being a learner and being a analyzing all the concepts, I just want to explain you guys with the real time scenarios. These real time scenarios, definitely I wish your mindset will be changed, and definitely I think this is not final, guys. I think because this is not kind of we are completing, we are educate ourselves, and after that we will go for these investment banking or financial market plannings and these things. Because at least 1 month we spend on learning and all these things. After that, we started investing in the share marketing, and the learning keeps going on, guys. I think it's not I mean we are done, and once we complete learning and we start earning and we start investing like that. Okay, so that is what he did, same thing in his journey also. Exactly 1 month he dedicatedly uh, he puts his mind, and he focused on the things, and he learned a lot of real-time scenarios. He started investing from basic investments, and he's a, and also patience, and educate himself. Okay, and he keep growing in the multiple sectors. Finally he reached the success line. Okay, so I think this conversation, I'm really very happy to share with you all, guys. So hope you will just correlate this particular real-time scenario with your investment life as well. So I hope definitely something impact in your brain, okay, with using this session. Okay, I think thanks for this opportunity. Really, I'm growing myself. So I hope you also grow yourself. I want to be a successful investors in your life. Okay, so I think definitely next time, I will come up with very good content. Okay, so see you soon with very good content, and until then, bye bye, guys. Thanks for this opportunity.